Mickey. Somebody else waiting. Look, you want to go take a picture with Goofy? He's right there. Let's go say hi. You see him? And then we can go inside his house and play.
No, I want to be in the stroller.
Huh?
On the stroller.
On the stroller? Okay, go. Oh, let's go look at more stuff. Look.
There's more. Hey, say cheese. Cheese. Amelia, look over here. Cheese.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. This way, follow me. Okay, let's go inside here. Let's go in there, go play. Whoa. Look at it. Low.
Hi.
Wanna go back down? Okay, come on. Look at that ride. No? Okay, come on. Wow. Tiffany, look, mommy's here. Watch out.
You can play, Mama. You can play with his toys.
Oh, look. It says Guardian. Guardian outside. Look, that's his doggy's house. Look, Tiffany. Look. I think it's gophers. Look, they're gonna come up right now. Oh, look, it's going. Alright. Hi, Mickey.
Yes, this is a real boat, and yes, that is real water. Most people visit magical places in the pages of books, but those who visit in person, whether they're going down a rabbit hole, a little bit of pixie dust, often find themselves being magical good medicine. But don't worry, but land.
I thought it was just a riddle.
Of course, our story begins with once upon a time, but in this case,
Look at
a
the little
big
houses.
bad wolf who lives in a cave on the left-hand side. He's always after three little pigs that cross the way in his three little house.
Get him. Take a
One
picture.
house built with straw, one house built with sticks, and one house with white fence built with 100% wolf-proof bricks.
Oh, he shook his head.
She said no.
No. Look at the little houses.
And just around the riverbed, a small, clean English village home to Alice. Where one good afternoon, Alice chased a white rabbit down the rabbit hole, going down, down, down to Wonderland. And off to your right-hand side is London Park, where Peter Pan and darlings Wendy, John, and Michael took their first flight. Of course, from a little help from Tinkerbell, they're on the way to Neverland, where they never ever have to grow up. And places like Agrabah, a city enchantment mystery, where a street rat named Aladdin bombs into Princess Jasmine's marketplace to stole her heart. From two different worlds, with the power of love, Elf and Genie, they're married, and still to this day live in the Solomon Palace.
That train.
Yeah, we're gonna go on that train. Yeah.
These magical places here in Storybook Land where love blooms forever. Like the roses above you, the archways, the very same ones where Aladdin and Jasmine soared sideways and under on a magic carpet ride to a whole new world. But even all good Disney stories have their dark places, places of mystery, like the Cave of Wonders up ahead, and treasure bears like Carrousel will be free by Genie in the Lamp. The legend has it, whoever sets the genie free will be granted with 3 wishes. Let's all make a wish and see if it comes true. Snow White made a wish. Her wish by the same place she slept with the evil queen. She stumbled upon a cozy cottage to your right where it's home to 7 dwarves. The dwarves offer Snow shelter there thanks to their kindness. Might even see them mind from here to hear them whistle while they work. Across the way from the 7 dwarves lives Cinderella, where she wishes to the ball her evil stepmother forbid it, leaving her behind a blue-striped tower to your left-hand side. Her fairy godmother granted her a wish, but when she wasn't back by midnight, her carriage her back to Pumpkin and went upstairs on the bridge. Well, magic had its limits, thankfully love does not. And Cinderella and the prince live in the castle above, living happily ever after.
I'm taking a picture, Mama.
Take a picture.
Dreams come true like wishes inspire stories here. Some dream happily ever after, while others dream of sleeping on a hillside of flowers. Like the one to your left, inspired by the 1979 Disney cartoon Lullaby Land. Never go up.
There's the train. Look at the train up there. It's gonna pass by.
Storybook tellers, Walt Disney. And Disney's inspired the story today. Stories such as The Wood of the Willow, The Mole, The Rat, and The Toad. Stories are really bad out of the head. But, sorry to say folks, the Toad's at home right now. For he's on a wild ride to nowhere particular.
Wow, look, Mama. Beautiful.
Oh, look at this castle.
Beyond that is the kingdom of Carrousel with its castle at bay, also the ice palace rising from Snow Cat Mountain. From there sits Elsa's Anna meets her chosen friend, Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven, and all discover something more powerful than Elsa's magic, the power of love. And up ahead in All Pine Village, a woodcarver named Fredo was on a strong horse, a criminal boy. And after all, Pinocchio did save that fella that well, the blueberry granted his wish.
Is it free?
Geppetto's wishes like those in many fairy tales, like one with a little mermaid named Ariel, who bought a Prince Ariel in house on your right. Her dream was to leave the underwater world of Atlantica, take her on, take up some land, to fulfill her dream, becoming part of our world. Her story tells their father King Triton built the underwater world that lives best to our campsite underneath that waterfall, where he could always visit Ariel whenever he wanted to.
It's rushing on me.
Got you.
But with all good Disney stories, they have to come to an end. Aww. So Joan got overboard and goes under the sea. And thank you for choosing Storybook Land. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at the Disneyland Resort. It was a pleasure having all of you here today.
Here it comes.